Right, everyone, and good morning. Today, new lessons again. Today, we are going to discuss fractions. Fractions, new lesson and important one. Here, have you heard about fractions? Yes, already you have learned in this grade 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and 11 also. This is very important one. Right, okay. Now let's start here. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Here, this is we call, now what is this? We call this is numerator, no? This is numerator. This is numerator. This is denominator, no? This is denominator. Denominator. Right. If numerator and denominator are there, it is called fraction. This is numerator, this is denominator. If numerator and denominator are there, it is fraction. Now you know this. Right. Then here, now look at this. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 10. What are these fractions? What are the speciality of these fractions? Yes, always every fraction numerator is 1, no? If numerator is 1, it is called what? Which fraction? Unit fraction, no? Have you heard? Unit fraction. It is called unit fractions. If numerator is 1. Right. This is unit fraction. Here. Now what are these? Here. What are the specialty of this? Always numerator is less than the denominator, no? Always. Not numerator is less, no? Numerator is less than denominator. 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 If numerator is less than to the denominator, which fraction is this? Proper fraction, no? This is proper fraction. We call this is proper fraction. Proper fractions. Right here, numerator is less than the denominator. Right. What are these? Here, what are the specifics of this? Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator, both are equal. Both are equal. Numerator is greater than the denominator and equal. It is called which one? Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fractions. Improper fraction. Have you heard this? Yes. Now next. Right. Then what are these? One upon 2, 1, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 5, 3, 1 upon 5. This is the whole number. This is the fraction. If whole number and fraction are there, it is called what? Mixed fraction, no? It is mixed fractions. This is mixed fractions. These are mixed fractions. These are mixed fractions. Right. Mixed fractions. Right. Then here, equivalent fractions. I have to teach you another one. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Right. Equivalent fractions means 3 upon 4. Right. 2 equivalent fractions to 3 upon 4. To make equivalent fractions, what did you do? Both numerator and denominator should multiply same number. If multiplied by 2, 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. Now 6 upon 8 is a equivalent one. Not only 2, you can multiply by 10. When you multiply by both 10, 10 into 3, 30. 4 into 10, 40. 4 into 10, 40. Then 3 upon 40 is a equivalent. Not only multiplication, and also to make equivalent fraction, you can divide also same one. When divide by 10, 3 upon 4. When divide by 5, 6 upon 8. To make equivalent fraction, both numerator and denominator multiply by same number or divide by same number. Right? Remember this? You have learned this in early grades, right? Upper grades. Right. Okay. Now, here, okay. Now today, we are going to learn how to add and subtraction of fractions. Today we are going to learn add and subtraction of fractions. Add and subtraction of fractions. First, add. How to add? Then here, 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Here, can you see? Two fractions are there now. What are the specialty of these two fractions? Both of them are denominator is equal. Here look, 4, 4. When both denominator is equal, how can we simplify? Here both denominator is equal. You can write the common is 4. No? You can write 4 because both one are 4. 4. Then numerator can add 3 plus 1. Right, here numerator, you know the directed numbers. Plus 3 here, plus 3 means goes 3 units to right hand side. Plus 1 means goes 1 unit to right hand side. Both on the same direction. Then add 3 plus 1, 4. 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. Right, another one. 5 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. Here. 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. Here, can you see? Can you see? There are 3 fractions. No? All 3 fractions denominator is equal. Here, 7, 7, 7. And then 7 is common. Then you can write 7. Then numerator can add 3 plus 1 plus 2. Here, the same direction. No? Plus, 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 no? Right hand side. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 upon 7. 6 upon 7. Understand? Right. Then another one. Another one. Two upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Here 5 is common, no? Then 5, common 5, then numerator add 2 plus 1. When 2 plus 1 add 3 upon 5. Right. Then here, look at this. 3 upon 6 plus 1 upon 2. Oh, 2 fractions are there. What are the specialty of this? Denominator is unequal, no? Denominator is unequal. Here, this is 6. This is 2. The biggest number is 6, smallest number is 2. Then can you make 6 using 2? Can you make 6 using 2? Yes. When multiply by 3, 2 can make 6. Then to make equal denominator, 2 should multiply by 3. But not only denominator, numerator also multiply by 3 because equivalent fractions. No? To make equivalent fraction because this is 6. Now 3 upon 6 plus 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 3 3. Now you can see denominator is equal. Common is 3 6. 3 plus 3. Plus 3 means goes right hand side. Plus 3 means goes right hand side. Both are in the same direction. 3 plus 3 is 6 upon 6. When 6 upon 6 divided by 6, 1. Understand? Right. Another one. 4 5 upon 4 plus, no, 5 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 5. Here, 3 fractions are there. Here, among them, 2 fractions denominator is equal, but one is unequal, 5. Then the biggest number is 10, smallest number is 5. When compare this, then 5 can make 10. 5 can make 10 multiplied by 2. When multiplied by 2, denominators can equalize to make multiply by 2. Then you can see 5 upon 10 plus 1 upon 10 here plus 2 into 1, 2, 5 into 2, 10. If there are 3 fractions, denominator is equal 10, then numerators can add 5 plus 1 plus 2, 8, no? 8 upon 10. Then this you can simplify. 8 and 10 both are multiplies of 2, no? Then 8 divided by 2, yes, equivalent fractions, no? You can divide both one. When divided by 2, 4 upon 5. The last one when simplified, 4 upon 5. Understand? Right, okay. Then another one. 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 3. Here, look at this fraction. Is there any relation 3 and 5? Then how can make 3? How can make 3 using 5? How can make 5 using 3? There are no relation. But here 5 and 3. Then tell me the multiplies of 5. 5, the first multiplies of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. No? The multiplies of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Both one meet 15. No? When 15 meets 5 into 3. Then 15 meet 3 into 5. Then 15 is common. No? If not 5 into 3, 15. If not 5 into 3, 15. Then to make 15, then 5 should multiply by 3. Then both one multiply by 3. To make 15, 3 must multiply by 5. Right? Then 5 into 3, 15. 1 into 3, 3. Plus 15, 1 into 5, 5. Then you can say denominator is equal. Now earlier not equal, now equal. 15. Then 3 plus 5. When add 3 plus 5, 8 upon 15. Understand? Right. Another one. 2 upon 7 plus 1 upon 3. Plus 1 upon 2. Here, look, 3 fractions are there. Here, if 3 fractions are there, all one are unequal denominators. 7, 3, 2. Right. Here, when multiplies of 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. When multiplies of 3, then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, yes, 42, meet 42. Then when multiplies of 2, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, meet 42. Then the common term is 42. Then this is multiplies of 7. When 7 multiplied by 6 can make 42. Then 3 multiplied by which 18, no? Multiplied by 18 makes 42. Then 2 multiplied 21 makes 42. Right? Then to make 42, 7 should multiply by 6. This also 6. To make 42, then which one? 14, no, not 18. 14 should multiply by 3. 14. Here 21. Right, here 42. Now 12 plus 14 upon 42, 21 upon 42. Now equal, no? 42. Now then you can add these numerators. 12 plus 14 plus 21, no? Then when add this old one, right hand side, no? 7, 1, 2, 4, 57, no? 42. Now 57 now upon 42, correct? 7, 2, 4, 5. Yes, 57 upon 42. Here, what is this? This is improper fraction. No? Normally, in improper fraction, you should convert into the mixed number. This is improper fraction. Now, let's learn how we convert improper fraction to mixed number. Improper fraction convert into the improper fraction convert to mixed number. You know, right? Then here 3 upon 2 improper fraction, 7 upon 3, 9 upon 4, 57 upon 42. Here all are improper fraction. Here then you can say numerator, denominator. Denominator is 2. When you convert them into the mixed number, this is easy method. Should write the denominator 2. This is now denominator is 2. No, the multiplies of 2. When multiplies of 2, 3. When 3 divided by 2, when 3 divided by 2, 1 and remain 1. If it means 3 upon 2. It means this numerator divided by denominator. Then numerator divided by denominator. Numerator is 3 divided by 2. When 3 divided by 2, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 remain. This is the answer. Whole number, and this is the remainder. The answer is 1 upon 2. Right? When numerator divided by denominator, you can get the whole number and remainder. Right here, this is denominator is 3. No? Denominator is 3. Then multiplies of 3. When 7 divided by 3, then you can divide 7 divided by 3. When 7 divided by 3, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 1 remain. Then the answer is 2 and 1 remain. 1 upon 3. Then denominator is 4. Now you can write directly without writing this. When 9 divided by 4, 2 and 1 remain. Here, when 57, the denominator is 42. Then 57 divided by 42, 1, and which one remain? 15, no? 15 upon 42. Then answer is 1, 15 upon 42. This is how we convert improper fraction to mixed number. Understand? Then this here. Okay. Then write another one. When they have given mixed number. Let's learn this also. When mixed numbers convert to improper fraction. Right, mixed number. Then 1 upon 2. Then 2 1 upon 3. Then 2 1 upon 4. Then 1 15 upon 42. These are mixed numbers. No? Now we should convert into improper fraction. Now you can say this is whole number, this is fraction. No? In this denominator is 2. You can write denominator 2. Then this 2, next step is this 2 multiply by this whole number. When 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 plus the answer, the result must add 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then 3 upon 2. Understand? Then denominator is 3. Then 3 into 2, 6. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 upon 3. Denominator is 4. Then 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 upon 4. Denominator is 42. 42 into 1, 42. 42 plus 15, 57. Here 57 upon 42. Understand? This is how we convert. Right. Then the subtraction. Then subtraction of fractions. Okay. Then here I can see 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Another one. 7 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9. Another one, 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Here 3 examples are there. Here you can see denominator is equal. When denominator is equal, common denominator is 4. 4, then subtract 3 minus 1. Numerator can subtract. When 3 plus 3 means goes right hand side, minus 1 means goes left hand side. Then different direction, subtract 3 minus 1, 2 upon 4. Then this equivalent fraction you can write as a equivalent fraction. Both one can divide by 2, 1 upon 2 when divided by 2. Right? Here, next example. Next example here, 9 is common, no? 9. Then numerator can subtract 7 minus 2. Then when subtract 5 upon 9. Here there are 3 fractions. Everyone the numerator is equal. Then 5. The first one add 1 plus 2. Subtract 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2 upon 5. Understand? When addition and subtraction are there. When addition and subtraction are there. Another one. Another one. 6 upon 9 minus 1 upon 3. Here 2 fractions are there. Here numerator is unequal like earlier. Then here the biggest number is 9, smallest number is 3. Denominator is unequal. We should make equal. Then 3, when 3 multiplied by 3 can make 9. Here also multiply by 3. Then 6 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9. Here 9 is equal 9. 6 minus 3 you can subtract now. 6 minus 3, 3 upon 9 when 1 upon 3. Understand? Right. Then 2 upon 7 minus 1 upon 2. Then unequal denominators. Then here unequal, no relation is there. Here what is the common term? What is the common one? When multiply 7, 7, 14. When multiply 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. 14 is common, no? Then both one will multiply by this 14. Then multiply by 2, multiply by 2. When multiply by 7, multiply by 7. Then 14, 2 into 2, 4 minus 7 upon 14. Then denominator is equal 4 minus 7, no matter. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. 7 minus 4, 3 minus 3 upon 14. Understand? Understand? Right. This is how we add and subtraction. Another one. When they have given 1 upon 2 plus 2 1 upon 2. Here mixed numbers are there. Right. When mixed numbers are there, then you should convert into the improper fraction. Then numerator is 2, no? Denominator is 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 upon 2. Denominator 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Now new denominator is equal to 3 plus 5. Then 3 plus 5, 8 upon 2. Then 8 upon 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. Answer is 4. Understand? Right. Another one. 6, 2 upon 3 minus 1, 3 upon 5. Mixed numbers, no? Convert into the improper fraction. 3 into 6, 18 plus 2, 20. Minus 5, denominator is 5. 5 into 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Now denominator unequal. When multiply 15, make 50. This must multiply by 5. This should multiply by 3. When multiply by 3, 15. Here 100 minus 24, 15. 15. When subtract this 100 minus 24, 16. 76, 15. Now you can see this is improper fraction. Now we'll convert this into the mixed number. Denominator 15. When 75, 5, no? 5, 1 upon 15. Understand? Understand? Right. I think you understand this. And also, you should know something about this lesson. Have you heard this ascending order and descending order? What is ascending order? Right. Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. Have you heard this? Ascending order means smallest to biggest, no? Smallest to biggest. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are there, it is ascending order, no? Then what's the next one? Descending order. What is descending order means? Descending order. Descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest, no? Then 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, no? These are the descending order, no? Descending order. Sometimes you have to solve, right, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. Here, write this as ascending order. Write this as ascending order. Write this as ascending order. Here, there are 4 fractions, no? Here, all denominator is equal. If denominator is equal, no matter, the smallest number is here, numerator unequal, denominator equal. Smallest numerator is the smallest one. Then the smallest fraction is, you know everyone, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 4. This is the ascending order, right? Smallest to biggest because denominator is equal. The problem is when they have given, look, here, 2 upon 7, 2 upon 9, 2 upon 6, 2 upon 4. Here, what is the smallest number? Here numerator is equal, denominator unequal. When numerator equal, denominator unequal, the biggest denominator is the smallest number. The biggest denominator is 9. Then 2 upon 9 is the smallest number. Then 2 upon 9 is the smallest number. Then 2 upon 7 is the smallest number. 2 upon 6. Then 2 upon 4 is the biggest one. Ascending order. Understand? When denominator is equal, when numerator is equal. Right. Then another one. Another example here. 2 upon 3, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 2 upon 5. Here, there are 4 fractions, all one are unequal numerators and unequal denominators. Then write as a ascending order. Then 3, 6, 2, 5. Then multiplies of 3, I can say makes 30. When multiplies 3 makes 30. When multiplies 6 makes 30. When multiplies of 2 make 30. When multiplies of 5 make 30. Right. Then common one 30. Then to make 30, I can multiply both one 10. Here to make 30, multiply by 5. To make 30, multiply by 15. To make 30, multiply by 6. Now 30, 20 upon 30, 5 upon 30, 15 upon 30, 12 upon 30. Right? 12 upon 30. Now denominator is equal, no? When denominator is equal 30, here 30. Now you can find the smallest number. The smallest number is 5 upon 30. 5 upon 30 means 1 upon 6. Then 12 upon 30 means 2 upon 5. Then 15 upon 30 means 1 upon 2. Then 20 upon 30 means 2 upon 3. Understand? This is ascending order. This is ascending order. Right. Then another one, you should know this. 3 upon 4. Here this is fraction. Write as a decimal. Write as a decimal. Then how can we this write as a decimal? You know this is numerator, this is denominator. When fraction divide by numerator divide, then to make fraction, to make decimal, numerator should divide by denominator. Right. Then numerator is 3. When 3 divided by 4, right? When 3 divided by 4, 0, add 0, then put the decimal value. Place 30 divided by 4, 7. 7 into 4, 28. When subtract this, 2. Again add 0. When 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 into 4, 20. Then 0. then 0.75. Answer is 0.75. Understand? Right, another one. 6 upon 9, 6 upon 10. When write this as a decimal, this is numerator, this is denominator. Right, numerator divided by denominator. When 6 divided by 10, 6 divided by 10, 0. Then add 0 decimal, 6 divided by 10, 6. 6 into 10, 60. Right, 0. Then 0.6. Understand? 0.6. Right, okay, you know this. Then you can convert into the decimal also. Right, decimal also. Right. Then comparison of fraction. Comparison of fraction. Last one. Comparison of fractions. Now compare 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4. What is the biggest number? Then you can see denominator is equal. No, this 3 upon 4 is the largest one. 3 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. You can know, no? You can see. Right. Then another one. 2 upon 9, 7 upon 9. When compare this, denominator is equal. Here this fraction is biggest. Then 2 upon 9 is less than to 7 upon 9. 7 upon 9. Right, another one. When unequal one, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon 7. When unequal one, can you find what is the biggest one? Are they 4 upon 7, 8 upon 14? Another one. Right. Then to unequal fractions 4 and 7. Here this is the denominators. No, you can multiply by cross. This is the easy method. No? Then 7 into 2, 14. Then 4 into 3, 12. Then tell me, is 14 or 12 biggest? 14 is biggest. No. Then this is biggest. 2 upon 4 is the biggest one. Then 2 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 7. Small method. When compare this 14 and 7. Now you can make equal, no? 14 and 7. When multiply by 2, then 14, 8. 8 upon 14, 8 upon 14. Both one are equal. Understand? Right. I think you can do this. Now, the time has come to complete fractions. Exercise homework. Do this. Add. Right. Third one. One upon 2. Fourth one, 3 plus fifth one, right? Do this at home. Right. Then subtract. First one, 9 upon 10 minus 1 upon 10. Second one, 6 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. Third one, 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. Fourth one, 7 upon 11 plus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Fifth one, 1 2 plus 2 upon 1 3 minus 1 upon 5. Here can you do this? Right, okay, copy down and do this at home. Right, okay, today, right, finish. Right, okay, today we learn what is fraction and fractions and addition of fraction and subtraction of fractions. Right, using this, do this exercise and let's meet next day. Okay, till then, goodbye. I go on.